We're starting with 4 boneless chicken thighs. Place them on your cutting board and trim off the excess fat. Trimming the fat helps the chicken cook more evenly and keeps the texture better. Cut each thigh in half as it helps everything cook through faster and more evenly. Add them to a large mixing bowl and set aside. Next, let's make the marinade for chicken and veggies. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and finish it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give everything a thorough mix to be like a thick, fragrant paste. By the way, if you're new here and you're enjoying this so far, hit that subscribe button. We make our recipes every week, and you won't miss any new recipes. Next, bring your chicken back, add a bit more salt, and pour about half the marinade over the chicken. Mix the chicken really well so every piece gets coated, and keep the other half for the vegetables. Then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, let's get the vegetables ready. Start with 2 bell peppers, red and green one. Slice the pepper lengthwise and keep rotating it around the core. Red bell pepper brings sweetness and turns a bit softer, while green one stays punchier, with more bite. If you don't have green, yellow works perfectly fine. When all done, cut the strips in half so they're bite-sized. You want pieces that are similar in size to the other vegetables so everything cooks at the same rate. By the way, what's the weather like where you are? Does it feel like spring already, or is it still on the way? We'd love to hear in the comments. Next, grab 1 carrot. Peel it, cut it in half lengthwise, then dice into cubes. Carrots take a little longer to cook, so keep your pieces on the smaller side. That way, everything finishes at the same time. Take 1 red onion and cut it in half. Take one of the halves and slice it into thin strips. Red onion softens and gets a little sweet when it roasts. It adds great flavor here without overpowering anything. And finally, 4 white mushrooms. Slice them evenly so they're all about the same size and cook at the same rate. Mushrooms soak up flavor really well, so they'll absorb that marinade and taste incredible. Pour the rest of the marinade over the vegetables and toss everything together until every piece is coated. Set this aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes while the chicken finishes up. While that marinates, let's start cooking our chicken in the air fryer. We're cooking the chicken first by itself before the vegetables go in. Lay the chicken pieces in your air fryer basket and spread them out as evenly as you can. That way, each piece will cook evenly. When it's done, bring back your air fryer basket and set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. This first cook gives the chicken a head start, so there's no risk of it being undercooked when we add the vegetables. When it's done, add the marinated vegetables right into the basket with the chicken. Mix everything together in the basket so it's all combined. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After about 6 minutes, open it up and give everything a stir so it cooks evenly on all sides. While everything's cooking, let's make our secret sauce. Add about 3.5 ounces or 100 grams of Feta cheese to a blender. Then, about 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Add a small drizzle of olive oil. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. And finish it with 1 clove of garlic, pressed or minced. Blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Timer's up. Open it up and just look at that. The chicken is golden, the vegetables have those perfect roasted edges, and the whole basket smells incredible. Now the best part, plating. Start by spooning your whipped feta sauce onto the plate and spreading it out as the base. Then pile on your roasted vegetables. And finally, the chicken right on top. Optionally, you can sprinkle some pumpkin seeds or a mixed seed blend on top. It adds a little crunch and makes the dish look really put together. And that is it. 1 marinade, 2 components, and 1 air fryer. If you try this, let us know in the comments how it turned out. If you'd add something different to this recipe, we're happy to hear it from you. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one.